Hello kids, today we will learn a new sound. It's P sound. In this video, we will learn formation and action for P sound. We will listen to a song for P sound. We will learn some words for P sound and we will do some activities together. So let's start. First, let's do the action together. Hold up your finger as if it's a candle and pretend to puff it out, saying P, P, P. And now put your finger up and try to write P sound. It's so easy. It's down, up, and round. Now, let's listen to the song together and try to do the action.
Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, 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 puff. Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, puff, puff.
Let's learn some words for P sounds. We have pig, pig, pan, pan, panda, panda, parrot, parrot, pot, pot, penguin, penguin. Now it's activity time. Activity number 1. Listen to the story and try to remember the words with P sound.
It is Paul's birthday, and his friends, Ping, Pavlo, and Pat, have come to his party. They play musical chairs and pass the parcel, and then Paul opens some of his presents. "Perfect," says Paul, as he unwraps a toy polar bear. "That is my favorite animal." Then they sit down to drink fizzy pop and eat some party food, peanut butter sandwiches, popcorn, apple pie, and cupcakes. While they're eating, Paul's mother produces a big pink cake with 5 candles on it. Paul tries to blow out the candles, but every time he puffs one out, it lights up again. They are trick candles. Everyone laughs and tries to puff out the candles. P, 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 p.
Activity number 2. Say the sounds and try to read the words.
A, t, pat. E, p, tip. S, e, p, sip. P, e, t, pit. T, a, p, tap. P, e, pip.
Activity number 3. Click the pictures that begin with P sound. We have here pin, pin, pig, pig, pineapple, pineapple, pot, pot, and the last word is pink, pink. And this is the end of our video. Thanks for watching.